As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two portable propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Royal Gourmet GT1001. Both seem pretty popular for tailgating and camping.
Yeah, and both are around the same price point, right? I see the Charbroil is listed at $147.97, and the Royal Gourmet is $147.28. So basically, a wash.
Exactly. Let's dive into the specs. The Royal Gourmet actually has a slightly larger cooking area, 285 square inches compared to Charbroil's 200. That includes a warming rack, too, which is a nice bonus.
Good point. More space for grilling is always a plus. But what about the burner power?
The Royal Gourmet has a 10,000 BTU burner, a little more powerful than the Charbroil's 9,500 BTU. Not a huge difference, but still, something to consider if you want that extra oomph for searing.
Interesting. What about fuel? I see the Royal Gourmet bundle includes two 1-pound refillable propane tanks, which is awesome. No more disposable tanks.
That's a big win for the Royal Gourmet. The Charbroil needs those disposable tanks, although you can convert it to use a larger 20 pounds tank. But that kind of defeats the portable aspect, doesn't it?
Totally. Portability is key. What about size and weight?
The Charbroil is a bit heavier at 20 pounds, while the Royal Gourmet is listed at just 1 pound. But I think that might be a typo. It's probably closer to the Charbroil in weight, but the folding legs on the Royal Gourmet seem like they'd make it easier to pack up.
Okay, so Royal Gourmet wins on cooking area, fuel convenience, and asterisk probably portability. What does the Charbroil have going for it?
Well, it has a lot more reviews, like over 3,000 compared to the Royal Gourmet 700 Plus. People seem to really like Charbroil's TRU-Infrared cooking system, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook food more evenly. And it has a hood-mounted temperature gauge.
Flare-ups are the worst, so that's a solid point. And a temp gauge is always helpful. But overall, it sounds like the Royal Gourmet offers a bit more bang for your buck, especially with those refillable propane tanks.
Yeah, I'm leaning towards the Royal Gourmet too. The larger cooking area and the included refillable tanks are pretty compelling. Plus, it's slightly cheaper. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.